B1235 on this CRV hybrid is a climate control code for the driver's air mix control motor circuit. In plain terms, the climate control unit may be seeing the driver air mix motor signal outside the range it expects. The driver's temperature output may not match the selected setting, and air mix door movement may be limited, incorrect, or inconsistent. Possible fault areas include the driver air mix motor control circuits, the related connectors and wiring, and, if those checks pass, possible climate control unit involvement. Before you put a meter on the circuit, start with the basic troubleshooting approach for this HVAC system. Then turn the vehicle to on mode and run the self-diagnostic function using the HDS, or the climate control unit. That confirms the code status before you start separating a wiring problem from a control unit problem. For the MHOTDR and MCOOL-DR circuit inspection, disconnect the driver's air mix control motor connector, the 5P connector. Then disconnect climate control unit connector B, the 24P connector. With both ends unplugged, perform the circuit inspection for those two control wires. With the driver's air mix control motor 5P connector and climate control unit connector B24P disconnected, and IG mode OFF, check the MHOTDR wire for an open. A normal result is less than 1 ohmega. Then check the MCOOL-DR wire the same way, still with IG mode OFF. A normal result there is also less than 1 ohmega. If either one is abnormal, treat it as a circuit problem and stay on the wiring side before blaming the control unit. Next, move to the short-to-ground checks with IG mode OFF. Inspect MHOTDR for a short-to-ground. A normal result is more than 1 ohmega. Then inspect MCOOL-DR for a short-to-ground. A normal result is also more than 1 ohmega. Again, if either circuit is abnormal, the problem is in the circuit, so pause and correct that path rather than jumping ahead. If the open wire checks and the short-to-ground checks are all normal, the remaining diagnostic direction is the climate control unit inspection, because the circuit side has checked good. For verification, return to the same on-mode self-diagnostic check and confirm the code status. The takeaway is simple. Prove the MHOTDR and MCOOL-DR circuits first, and only move toward the climate control unit after those circuits test normal. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.